Welcome back to the vlog and welcome back to another episode of the Driving Society. Bit of car spotting for this morning. Holy Jesus, you sexy thing. Brock back on the channel, as usual, at the mechanics, always getting stuff done. This is Blake, this is my knight in shining armour. He's the one that makes all the magic happen on the MPS. Brock's going to be coming here shortly too. So today we're going to be installing an anti-lift kit. This will be probably the worst DIY video on the internet, but we'll give it a go. We'll let you guys know how it goes, and yeah. Also, we've got a TikTok now. Nick's running the TikTok. If you haven't met Nick, go check out his new car on the Instagram, which is also going to be linked below. But yeah, let's get to installing this anti-lift kit, even though we have no idea what we're doing, as usual. Let's go.
Tell us about your trick.
So, Blake's the man, and he insisted that we tape this in, which, you know, seems like a bit of a waste of tape, but if you think about it, you're not going to have to keep worrying about this being loose. So I get the full air impact today. This probably has a bit more torque than mine at home, so let's see how this goes. Yeah, nice. So yeah, filthy lug nuts as per usual. Wheels are filthy, need to get them redone, but got the new brakes on. So red calipers been painted again by Blake. Discs supplied by DVA, fitted by myself with the help of Nicholas and Griffin and Mitchell. But yeah, so this is about the same size as the steering wheel, just for context. So it may look small in the space that it's sitting, but if you look at the steering wheel, it's actually very similar size. We'll get to the underneath part of the car. Let's go. I regret not washing this before I worked on it, but anyway. So now, obviously, a light is a very handy thing to have when working under a car. As you can see, the floor's filthy, so a bit of cardboard didn't kill anyone. So this is a control arm bushing just here. We're going to remove these two 17s and this one here. Hopefully the control arm just drops down from there. Not too sure what's going to happen from here. Blake reckons we can just tap it off with a hammer, so we'll give that a go, and if not, we'll have to get a bit of persuasion. It's going to be loud, so. PPE is always recommended. Always wear earmuffs when working under a car, as it gets quite loud sometimes. Hey, there's one floor jack. There's another floor jack. Sorry, that's Mitchell's joke. Funny. I shouldn't steal that. That's Mitchell's joke. All credits to Mitchell. Go follow him. I think it's MK5_Miggle. He's got the white GTI. Go check it out on our Instagram. Working on cars is not fun. Don't get into cars. It's expensive. It's expensive. It's a pain in the bum, but it's very rewarding.
His opinion on the MPS.
Upgrades, people, upgrades. Nah, it's not a heap of shit. We're just upgrading. I'm a bit of a weird guy. I believe that's only held in by that tiny belt bolt. So a slight hiccup during the install. The kit doesn't actually fit. It's apparently for a Ford Focus, which is quite a similar car considering half of this car is made by Ford. But yeah, now we've got to make a trip back to Super Cheap and hopefully get this sorted and get the correct kit. But anyway, we'll be back. This is the first time we've got Brock driving us around. Let's go! Woo! Fuck yeah! We're in the Veloster Turbo. If you haven't seen the video where we did the unveil of that, that was the last one. It'll be linked at the end of this video up this side. Yeah, this side. and then down below as well. So make sure you go check that out. But hey, Brock is officially going to be coming to car meets and stuff now. We're going to have him on the channel a lot more. Obviously, if you follow the Instagram, you would have seen some of the stuff he's already done. Obviously sunroof, but yeah, it's hot, so we're going to do air conditioning. But yeah, road trip to Super Cheap. Let's go. Don't go to Griffith. Do not rate. Josh can confirm. So unfortunately we had no success with the anti-lift kit. It didn't actually fit on the car. I mean, Integra is pretty sick. But yeah, so Super Cheap don't actually have the kit either, so we can't just do like a straight swap. So we're gonna have to get some more money and get another one. So we'll get that ordered. We'll get another video done, but there's still more content to come, so don't leave yet. Stay tuned. So unfortunately we've had to put the car back together. It is filthy, so we're gonna meet up with Brock. I don't think you guys have met Darcy. We're gonna meet Darcy. We'll clean all of our cars and then we'll go out and get some content for you. But yeah.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fits. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna rest? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss. Just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. I want something just like this. I want something just like this. Somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to. Somebody.
So that's probably going to end it for today, guys. The white car you would have seen in the video is Darcy's. As I said earlier, you'd meet him, so this is Darcy. But yeah, that is going to end the video. So down below, smash that subscribe button, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and comment any ideas you want to see in future videos. But that's it, guys. Have a great week. Peace.